Thinking about shopping on Bzeumtbg.shop? Hold up. Before you reach for your wallet, let's dive into whether this site is legit or just another online scam in 2026. First off, that weird random name, Bzeumtbg. Scam sites love using these odd combos to fly under the radar. If you can't even pronounce it, that's your first red flag. Next, let's look for contact info. Legit shops have clear details, a physical address, real phone number, and a professional email. If you're seeing missing or sketchy info, that's a major warning sign. How about the website design? If you spot blurry images, typos, or sections that read like lorem ipsum nonsense, run. Real businesses invest in their site. They want to look trustworthy. And don't just trust those glowing reviews on their page. If you can't find real feedback on sites like the Better Business Bureau or Trustpilot, that's a problem. No independent reviews usually means no real customers. So, what should you do if you're curious about a new site? Step 1. Check the URL. Make sure it starts with HTTPS, YI, and you see that little padlock up top. Step 2. Search for the shop on trusted review platforms. Look for real, verified experiences from other shoppers. Step 3. Dig into return and shipping policies. If they sound super generic or promise the moon, be skeptical. And finally, only pay with credit cards or PayPal. These give you buyer protection. Never use wire transfers or crypto for stores you haven't bought from before. Bottom line, Bzeumtbg.shop is flashing all the classic scam signals in 2026. My advice